Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about this wonder stick from NYX, and it's highlighting and contouring stick, and that's how the box looks like. I got it from Target for $12, and you can get it pretty much anywhere where NYX is sold. And that's how the box looks like. Here you can see Vegas ne demonstrating step by step how to use it, and some instructions at the back, and the shade I got it is in medium. So you have choice of 6 shades, and there's a shade called universal which is expected to work for everybody, but I couldn't get my hands on that one, so I picked up medium and I think it'll suit me. So without wasting much time, we'll move on to the application and see how the tube looks like. So when you remove tube from the packaging, it comes wrapped like this, which is really a good thing, and I'm seeing this first time in a drugstore product where a product is wrapped such beautifully, and just to prevent the damage to the product. And here is the up close view of the tube. You can see it's good, it's very travel friendly, it's sturdy, it's plastic, so that's how it looks like. And here you can see the shade name and everything. So this is the highlighting side, that's how it looks like, and this side is the contouring side. So let's swatch both of them. So here are the swatches for contour and highlight, and I feel a contour shade is little bit too light for me and little bit warmer for me, but the highlight shade seems to be good. So we'll start applying this on my face, blending it out, and see the results. And I do feel this shade is little warmer for me. I'm used to using a Smashbox contour, and that's more cool tone, more like ashy, and I think that gives me perfect shadows. And I'm not sure about this thing color wise feels like the Wet n Wild contour stick I have, and I don't like the look of the contour, which looks warmer. So we'll just see, but the product is really creamy, and like it's not depositing too much of color. You can work with it. I love how creamy it is. So those are all the places I typically highlight. Color match, I do feel it's little bit lighter for my liking, so you have to see. Definitely we can build it up. So I decided to go ahead and apply the highlight shade too. It's nice pinky tone highlight which seemed to work for my skin tone, and I think it has shimmer too. So I'm not gonna highlight under my eyes with this. I'm just gonna apply it to the areas where I typically put my glowy highlights. So that's that. So guys, contouring and highlighting is really personal. It depends upon your face and everything. So I would suggest apply a contour with the way it best suits you. So that's how I do my contouring or highlighting anytime I'm doing it. So now I'll go ahead and blend everything and see what's the pigmentation on this is and how blendable the product is. So I'm gonna be using small tapered brush from ELF to blend everything out. out all my contours, and I feel it gave me very subtle shadow and it blended beautifully. Like, it's one with my skin, my foundation, and you cannot see any streaks or anything, and the highlight is also blending beautifully. So it does have some shimmer in it. It's pinky tone, but I think it will work for my skin. Guys, that's my contour all done. I'll just do my blush and get back to you guys with my final views on this product. Welcome back, guys, and that's how the finished result looks like, and I really love this highlight and contour stick. It's very subtle, very day-to-day wear appropriate. Like, if you are somebody who likes to contour your face on daily basis, I think this product is amazing, and it's very convenient, very travel friendly. The product shut close, so there is no chances of it getting ruined in a transportation or anything like that. So that's something to keep in mind. Product itself is really blendable. It blended out quickly, and I can still see shadows there, and I really like it. But if you ask me shade wise, I still prefer my Smashbox contour cream thing, because it has perfect shade for contouring. The only thing I hate is it's in a pan, so you have to carry the whole thing with you, and this thing is like very convenient and travel friendly. You can just pop it into your small makeup bag, and that's that. And I saw some reviews, this contour stick is also compared a lot with the KKW Beauties contour sticks. I haven't used any of those, so I cannot really compare, but yeah, now I'm intrigued to try those things out and see, compare them with this. But for now, I really love it. This is a great drugstore option for. So guys, if you ask about my opinion, I really like it. I had some doubts about the shade, but after blending it out and now I'm looking at the viewfinder and my mirror, the shade is looking perfect. So I love the formula, I love the packaging, I love the price point, and I'm also loving the shade and blendability of it. So those were my opinion, guys. If you guys happen to try this out, do share your views with me, or if you have some specific product in mind which you want a review on, you can put that in the comment box below. And please do subscribe to me, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. So I will catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.